Such a nice day, guys. Oh, hello there.
Hello? Get away from me, you nerd! Oh, who do you think you are? Your mom probably left you. You look like you're not Mr. Beast, bro. Okay?
Bruh, why are you so mad?
Because
Loser poop head, you are not cool. We are DIO. You're gay. Get out, you related monk.
Ooh, a revolver. Oh, wait, bro, what?
like, bro, it's not even that cool, man. Like, it's not even that sick, bro. Like, dude, it's not that sick. I know.
Wanna be cool guy.
I'm not
Oh my god.
Like, bruh, you got it from a modded lobby. You can't even be talking with that, bruh. You probably went to a no PvP server and they threw suitcases because you're not even skilled enough to get that yourself, bruh.
Okay, buddy.
No. Okay, this is the third one of the day. Bruh, what? Wait, is that someone in there? What the? You have seen way too much YouTube shorts, monkey. Oh my god, this guy's consuming with too much brain rot. Let's stop these